Happy 2022 for all of you. And I'm going to start with a nice sweet cake, a chocolate mud cake. For this recipe, I'm using 125 milliliters milk with 2 tablespoons sour cream, 125 milliliters vegetable oil or any cooking oil without extra virgin oil because it's too heavy, and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of sugar. You can always add extra sugar in your recipes if you like the cake more sweeter. If not, you can do a chocolate icing, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. So let's start. Into the self-raising flour, add the bicarbonate of soda, and into that add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. If you like more darker, you can always add more cocoa powder in it and add the sugar too. Now I'm going to break the eggs. Into that add the sour cream. In this cake, sour cream and the bicarbonate of soda acts together like a team. And if you can't find sour cream, you can always go for yogurt. Other than yogurt, you can add a teaspoon of vinegar too. Now into that going to add the oil and mix. Once it is ready, add the dried mixture to it and mix. And we need 125 milliliters boiling water. And I'm going to add the boiling water while mixing. Now the milk. And you don't need to overmix this. This is a one bowl cake recipe, so take it out. As you can see, it's really runny. Don't worry about it. That's how it makes the nice mud cake. After, I have this 20 centimeter cake pan that I'm going to pour the mixture in. As you can see, it's really runny and you will be amazed to see the cake after. Now this goes to the preheated oven, 160 Celsius in a fan forced oven or 180 Celsius in a normal oven, about 45 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. So the cake is ready. This was in the oven about 45 minutes exactly. After taking it out from the oven, it can shrink a bit like this, but it's super moist. So let's take it out. And if you are going to ice the cake, cut it in half and put chocolate icing in the middle and some chocolate icing on top. So that can stay in the fridge for 1 week, and you can freeze this up to 3 months without any problem too. So let's take one piece out. And this is how it is. As you can see, it's a really spongy, super moist cake. And hope you will enjoy this. And again, a very happy new year to you all. See you in my next video.